hey Kim, how was
Hey.
that intro?
It's different.
Different to my porn one the last time we were up front my house?
They wouldn't think it's porn.
Oh, thank God. Ugh. Woo! So, would you like to film a video with me today?
Absolutely.
What should we talk about?
You know what? Let's do split ends.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've got plenty of tips for that.
Do you?
In fact, I have a hair mask. Fucking cars. I've got a hair mask that can fix split ends permanently. You'll never have to worry about them again. And yeah, I'll show you that today.
Let's do it.
All right, cool. So the really annoying thing about split ends is that we don't see them coming, and it's usually a result of our hair being unhealthy. And how can I put it? Like, the hair is literally getting so dry that it's starting to do these ones. And what happens is, if you leave a split end for too long, the hair ends up splitting all the way down, and essentially what's happening is all the moisture from inside your hair is getting out, and it's breaking the whole thing. Now, if you have that on a mass scale, it's really, really bad for your hair, and especially if you're trying to grow it out, it can be somewhat, I don't know, counterintuitive, because if you're trying to grow your hair long, you don't want it to be breaking off. Not attending to split ends is one way to ensure that that happens. So with what I'm doing here, it's just kitchen-based stuff, and if you follow every step that I show you in this video today, you will never, ever, ever have to deal with a split end ever again. I'm telling you, okay? So it's very simple. We've got a few ingredients here. So all we're going to be using in this hair mask today is a bit of egg, a bit of avocado, we've got a little bit of honey, we've got some coconut oil, and we've also got some lemon juice. So, and with this method as well, we're doing it to target split ends. So we only want to apply it to the ends, and the good thing is you don't need a lot of it. So we've kept it to the minimum, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put everything into this bowl, and then we're going to show you how it's done, okay? So first up, we're going to grab our coconut oil, and we're probably going to go just about a tablespoon of that. You don't need a hell of a lot. Like I said, this is only for like the ends of your hair, so it's no real big deal. Oh, there's a hair in there, Jesus. It's only for the ends of your hair, so I mean, if you put too much, like you'll just be wasting stuff. Peel this avocado, plop him in. It doesn't really matter the order that you put them in. I've also put just about 2 teaspoons of honey into here as well. So, then we're going to pour our egg in. The cool thing about egg is pretty much pure protein and fat. So we're going to chuck that on there. I actually think we might have a little bit too much avocado there, so we might just pop him over there, get out. And then we're also just going to do about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Pop it all in like that. You can use things like chia seeds and stuff, but really at the end of the day, as you'll see, this method is just so good for getting rid of split ends that it's not even really necessary. I found it can work without it. Actually, it can probably work without a few of these things, to be honest. So what I've done, I've just gotten a fork and a spoon, and I'm just mashing that up all together. You can use a food processor if you want as well, if you're a little bit more high-tech than me, but I just like to go at it with the whole spoon and fork, you know, just mash it all up there. You just gotta really make sure the avocado grinds up. Like, that's why a food processor is probably really good, because it takes care of the avo a lot better. And I know you're probably thinking this does look like vomit right now, and you're 100% right, but you won't be complaining when I've actually, you know, shown you that you can get no split ends. And I know what some of you are probably thinking as well, that my hair looks dry as it is. Yeah, that's my hair type. Do you see split ends on this bitch? No. Okay, so I've just been like mashing that for about 10 minutes now, and it is looking prim and proper, ready to use. So it still does look quite vomity, I know, don't judge, because this thing's gonna save your bloody hair. But now, after we've mixed it for a long enough period and we're ready and happy with how it's looking, it's time for the good bit, okay? So we're gonna go and grab this, and then you just throw it all in the bin like that, and go and get a haircut. And you'll never have to deal with the split end ever again, okay? Thank you so much for coming and watching this video this week, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week for another one.